How's it going, guys? So today I actually traded only a few stocks, one of which was Roku, and then the other is Uber. I've been done for like the last 5 minutes or so already, and just watching the market. I'm not going to trade, that's why I'm going to make this recap. I don't want to lose money. So here's what I did on Uber. Daily level is just sitting on this level. I actually took I took a long on it. I guess eventually I'm right here. So I took a long here, thinking it will break the high, which is up here. Instead, the stock just dropped. On the 5-minute, this is how it looks like. It's sitting above both of these SMAs, so I was long on it. And also, if you notice, it was on the daily level too. It's sitting right at this level, previous day levels. There's a lot of them down here. And also, as you can see, there's a lot of pressure downwards. So it's been losing money all these days, so some of the shorts will have that covered. So today is probably that day. Not to mention on the 15-minute, I think when I took it, it's a pretty big candlestick upwards. So I just took it too early. If I waited and see here, 9:30, 31, 32, 33, 34, or maybe not. It's still very choppy actually. So either way, stopping out is good. I took a small size, 500 shares, and then I just stopped that really quickly. So I only lost $80 on it, even though this looks kind of big. It's not that big. So, yeah. So that's my trade on Uber. Roku is the one that I made most of my money. Ignore the 350. I actually made a hotkey mistake. So that's why I lost some money there. Daily level hit its high right here, and now it's starting to make its way downwards. 15-minute huge engulfing pattern. I took it when it actually just broke this SMA. You see that? There's an SMA here. So I took it on the short side, right at where it broke it. 5-minute, two SMAs up here. Stocks are trending down. Pretty much, there's a rejection too on the 15-minute, by the way. There's this rejection here, and so that's why I took it on the short side. This is how the chart looks like. It's below the SMAs. On the 1-minute, it hit this level. It was about to go for the break of it, so I took this 500 shares on short. It bounced up, didn't even hit this level. It bounced up and then went back down, and then I added to my position on the way down. The stock just collapsed, held this level, so I got out a couple hundred shares. It popped back up, but it didn't really hit my level. So my entry was right about here. Not 130.38, it's 130.20ish. So it didn't really quite hit that level. And then it came back down, and then it started to cover some more down to this previous day close. And then I continued on its way down, and then it didn't make its way. It seemed like it was going to pop back up a bit, so I got out the rest of it because it looks like it was stalling here. But then I made a hotkey mistake because I set a limit order, so I oversold some stocks. So then I became short on the. I overcovered, so I became long on the stock. So I had to sell to get out. So I sold some shares here, so that's why I lost 350. But anyway, it looks like the stock continued to drop. But I made my money on this, so I am done. So that's it.